Hey guys, I am so thrilled to be back with you and I'm so glad that you're here. Today we're going to talk about essential oil stories having to do with doTERRA Breathe Respiratory Blend. This is a really great essential oil for, guess what? Breathing better. I love diffusing it in my bedroom at nighttime because when I wake up in the morning, I noticeably can breathe easier through my nose. I notice it in the morning, even after my diffuser has already turned off. It's already turned itself off during the nighttime. And I wake up actually feeling those benefits of breathing better. Do you know anybody in your life who has some difficulty in the springtime, maybe breathing well? In the summertime, if there's wildfires going on, sometimes like our throats will be affected, and our nose and our mucous membranes in there, and our lungs.
We've been having so much wildfire smoke, I've been trying to figure out how to strap this thing to my face.
This is a lifesaver. It's a great supportive oil for soothing those passages and those airways and helping open you up and breathe better. I have friends who don't leave the house without a bottle of Breathe oil. They just never know when they're going to be somewhere where they feel tight and constricted. Different holders. So we have the one where you drip it out, and we have the one that you roll it on. So what she does is she opens her hand and she puts just a drop, didn't come out, a drop, and rubs them together, cups them over her face. Close your eyes because it has peppermint, okay? Close your eyes. You just inhale really deeply through your nose. Another great way is just cupping your hands and making like a tube and putting it over your mouth and inhaling in through your lungs. It even tastes kind of good. Those are such great ways to open you up. Some great places to use Breathe oil in your diffuser. This is a great one. I think this one's called the Aroma Light, and I can show you how to get this if you'd like. In a classroom where you have people that might be just a little bit stuffy, and it also can help bring more focus and alertness. A yoga class would be a great place to diffuse Breathe essential oil. A gym, spin class, Zumba class. These are just great places that people could use that extra breathing support and increase blood oxygenation level. A great way to dilute the essential oil, if you would like to dilute it for sensitive skin or children or babies, is the fractionated coconut oil. And I would just use a few drops of this with your drop of Breathe essential oil, and you'll be good to go. I hope that you got something great out of this video today, and definitely think about those people in your life that are active in sports. They they need some extra help breathing, or they want to breathe better than even just good. So maybe drop me a comment if you love this essential oil or if you'd love to try it. And definitely subscribe to my channel. The thing I know is it's not weird if it works.